Terra Luna Classic is sitting at a major level of support right now. The 10,000 point per coin mark is, it's brutal. There's no other way to put it. We absolutely need to maintain this level if we don't expect to go down to 8,000, 6,000, possibly even 4,000 points per coin again. Now, we're going to be looking at how, this price action could be playing out here, but why the mentality may be shifting from meme coin status to investment status at this point. We know that the DPEG happened roughly a year ago. We're approaching the 1-year anniversary, and an influx of wide-eyed meme coin, investors that were looking for massive returns jumped into Terra Luna Classic, and it provided massive returns. Going from 4,000 points per coin to 60,000 points per coin is nothing short of amazing, but we've been on a slow and steady decline as the overall cryptocurrency market has been getting hit from every direction. So let's talk about what's going on with Terra Luna Classic, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want to make it your asset and mitigate the risk of holding on a centralized exchange, you need to look at a cold storage or a DeFi wallet. Now, guys, we know the excitement of Terra Luna Classic, and we know the volatility of a coin when it starts to move, and Terra Luna Classic, it started out, let's put it this way. It started out years ago as an investment, as a decentralized financial ecosystem led by Do Kwon. Things spiraled out of control, and then the meme investors jumped in. The self-proclaimed lunatics that were buying a dying chain, hoping for a major bounce. And we did get a major bounce, but since then, things have been fading a little bit, and we're right here testing a very, very strong level of support. Now, the good news is, it is a very strong level of support. The bad news is, we're testing it as Bitcoin is moving lower, as Ethereum is moving lower, and as the overall cryptocurrency space right now is just riddled with regulatory problems and regulatory concerns that are leading to investor fears and investor uncertainty. Right now, Terra Luna Classic sitting at 10,211 points per coin. It is at a crucial mark. You have to go out to a weekly graph to see Terra Luna Classic below that price. Now, since we are at this very, very strong level of support, let's take a look at what happens if we bounce up and, of course, if we break down. If Terra Luna Classic breaks down, the good news is we may not even see a 10% decline through this level of support. 9,500 to 9,000 are decent levels, but unfortunately 8,000 points per coin is going to be the next major level of support. Now, 8,000 points per coin is, of course, a 20% decline from where we are right now, so please just be aware of those levels. And, of course, 4,000 points per coin is kind of the line in the sand. 4,000 is roughly the lowest you're going to be seeing on any exchange or any price graph after the DPEG event took place, and 4,000 points per coin, if broken, would of course lead to, uncertainty. Nobody knows how far it's going to fall because there will be no level of support. Now, talking about Terra Luna Classic bouncing off, just in case we get a nice rally here, Terra Luna Classic has resistance at 1,200 points per coin, and then all the way back up to 1,600 points per coin. So the good news is we could see a nice 20% increase from where we are right now if the market turns around a little bit, and of course a 60% increase from where we are right now if it breaks that initial level of resistance. Some of the things that are going to be affecting Terra Luna Classic in the, immediate term and midterm. Right now, today, Jerome Powell is going to be making his decision on interest rates. Now, this is a very interesting decision because Jerome Powell stated 6 weeks ago that he and the Federal Reserve imagined we would be seeing interest rates plateau, that the 5% was going to be the top as long as inflation remained under control and as long as employment remained under control, which it has done so. Now, the market is expecting a 25 basis point hike today. That's what consensus has been set at by analysts. So it is going to affect the price of Terra Luna Classic. Hopefully not dramatic, but, you know, if we beat expectations and interest rates remain unchanged, I do believe we could see a little bit of a bounce in cryptocurrency today. If he comes in at 25 basis points, I wouldn't expect much of a move there, but nonetheless, it's going to be determined on how he handles his press conference and why they decided to raise interest rates when at the last meeting 6 weeks ago, he said that they weren't going to. So it is going to be a very interesting day today with Jerome Powell, and Terra Luna Classic will absolutely be affected by the interest rate decision. A lot of the other things going on in the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem right now that everybody should be aware of. We've got the repeg proposal, the signaling proposal, or the signal proposal has passed, and Redline Drifter getting ready to set up the next steps in, I guess, getting exchanges on board with repegging USTC. Guys, USTC repegged at any level, becoming stable once again, could add a huge influx of buyers because, of course, the ecosystem would have a stable commerce coin. Ed with his AI chain proposal. There's been a lot of talk and a lot of hype about this proposal, driving Terra Luna Classic back up drastically in price. Let me say this. When you see articles being written about Terra Luna Classic jumping back up to a penny or 10 cents easily on an AI sidechain or any project for that matter, it's fake news, dude. It's fake news. 10 cents would be a $600 billion valuation. Not going to happen unless, of course, we burn. The 1 cent mark is possible, but anybody that says it's going to be easy is lying to themselves. It is not easy to create $60 billion of wealth in any situation, especially a bear market in an uncertain situation that the cryptocurrency space is facing right now. So we do have a very major level of support that we wish holds up, and we need to see hold up. Otherwise, if you guys are here long term, man, you could be getting some new dip buying opportunities if it breaks down. So I want to know what you guys think about Terra Luna Classic down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.